is a thing I could say, I just want to say to Mark Cruz, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, I telling you, when Jerick Silva says to you, you need to stop, stop posting nonsense, just stop. I've been warned by Wawel Romero, I've been warned by my mom, what they said to me, wag ka na mag-post sa Facebook, wag ka na mag-comment. They said to me, what happened, I called the Trump supporters. When after the death of Qasem Soleimani, the Iranian general, I cursed Donald Trump with the word asshole. That the Trump supporters who were Americans, they bash me. Even the Filipino Americans Trump supporters, who were my fellow Filipino Americans, they bash me also. I am saying to Mark Domingo Cruz, stop posting about nonsense over at Alan Peter Cayetano, and even Rodante Marcoleta, including who else at those two basketball players, Rene Bartebonia and Divina Dili. This is really nonsense, Mark Domingo Cruz. As for me, think before you click what you're posting in threads in Instagram. You're posting nonsense in threads in Instagram. You're posting about Rodante Marcoleta. You label him a pug. You posted Alan Peter Cayetano was labeling him as a chicken. Even Rene Bartebonia and Divina Dili, you post them in in threads in Instagram, and you mentioning my name that you're gonna drop me in the drop off. Mark Cruz, stop posting nonsense. Look at John Timothy Trevino. He never posting a nonsense in threads in Instagram. He posting only traveling only in the US. Just like Ninong Michael. Ninong Michael posted in threads in Instagram. He travel only in he always goes to London. While he was in Netherlands, he cooks some dishes. And sell it to his Filipino community in Netherlands. Unlike this Mark Cruz, he did not listen to his parents. This man has no credibility. Alright? If I were you, Mark Cruz, when I was told by Jerick Silva, wag ka na kasi mag-post ng nonsense. That's why. I'm not posting nonsense in Facebook. In Facebook only, I always read. I never post, I never comment. No. But unlike this Mark Cruz, is really a stubborn. He's really an imbecile. This guy has no raised by his parents. I'm telling ya. For Mark Cruz anyway, do not post, do not comment. The reason is why people are angry at you, because you're posting nonsense. Christian Mingito, if you're watching this, lecture Mark Cruz to stop posting nonsense. First of all, if the Duterte supporters, even Rowena Guanzon, had read all the post of Mark Cruz about Alan Peter Cayetano and also Rodante Marcoleta, that he labeled them as chicken and pug, the dog. This guy, he might get bashed. I'm telling ya, this guy Mark Cruz, he will get bashed. Not even just that. He always challenged me that what is it, Hot Wheels race. I was told by J. Rick Silva, niloko tayo ni Mark Cruz. Because this guy is really challenging me that Hot Wheels race. What is the opinion that about my diecast? Oh, Mark Cruz is very jealousy. He's very envy that I have a diecast car. I bought it in Japan. Fukuoka in Book Off. Tomica, I have Margaret, I have Maisto, the Dutch Viper. I bought in Book Off. Oh, in Landers in Quezon City in the Philippines. In Balintawak, I bought Ford Shelby. Oh, Mini Cooper last year. Even Renault F1 that was last month, I bought it also. Mark Cruz, don't be such jealousy. And first of all, you need to stop posting nonsense in threads in Instagram.